Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to earn cryptocurrency, that is literally money, by playing games. As you can see, this is my Binance account, and I'll be showing you briefly how to play simple games you normally play and then get paid for it. So the first thing you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video and actually download this particular app that I'm going to use. Once you download it, you can just create an account either with your email or with your I think there's an option for Google sign up. Like with your Google account, you sign up. Then once you sign up, you have to come here and click on where it says play now. That is to play games. Then you'll see several games or apps which you'll be actually required to do what? To download. Once you download, and then you play them for a minute, you'll be seeing that you will have different different points given to you per minute for each of the games you play. So you can see this one, Lords Mobile Kingdom Wars, you'll be paid about 21 coins per minute. Then and so many other games. If you can check here, you see that I've actually downloaded some games. I've downloaded some apps, most of them game, Giant Rush, Candy Crush, etc. So I know Candy Crush is common. So for this particular tutorial, I would like us to download a new game. So let's go back to our catalog, scroll down, and maybe I'll just download this particular game here, which says connect dots pops numbers, connect dots pop numbers. So I click on play. It will take me to Play Store so that I can actually install the app on my phone. So let me install the app on my phone. It will take some time to actually install it. So as we're waiting for it to install, what usually happens is that after the app or the game has been installed, it will now be available on my app section on this particular mobile app. Do you understand? Then if we're going to go back, let's go back. Then once I play it for a minute, I'll be qualified to actually get a scratch card. You can see I've been scratching these cards and getting points. So I'll play it for a minute and then be qualified to actually get a scratch card. Do you understand? Which once I scratch, I'll also get additional coins. So let's go back to the home page. Let's check if it has actually finished downloading. So okay, it's still downloading. It's still downloading. Let's allow it to download. But while it's downloading, let's try to play one game and not waste time. So I'll just show you basically how it works. So I come to my app section here. Okay, so I'm on my app section here, and you can see the game we were trying to actually install just finished installing. So I can just click on here to play. Allow it to load up. It says connect same numbers. Okay, nice. Nice. So I can say play. Can you see how it's being played? Nice game. So as I'm playing, can you see I've gotten 9 coins there? Can you see that? So let's go back. That's what I wanted to show you. If you play for a minute, you get like some coins, and I've gotten 9 coins already for this particular game. So I'll go back, and you can see the number of coins I have has increased. And then you can see here under scratch it, I have a notification. I now have a particular scratch card to actually unveil. So I click on tap to scratch, then I now scratch it. You can see I have what? I've won 45 of this particular coin. Close it, go to home, congratulations. And if I go to redeem rewards here, go to redeem rewards, I can actually be paid via any, like about 4 cryptocurrencies here, rather 1 2 3 4 5 cryptocurrencies here. I can rather be paid through USDT, and you see I've reached the threshold to get about 0.3 USDT. That will cost me about 2,900 coins. The first one I actually withdrew was actually 0.05, and that's the reason why I'm making this video, because it's actually paying, and I'm going to get till when I'm able to get about 10 USDT from this particular platform. So you can either redeem through any of these means. So you can also redeem through Bitcoin, you can actually redeem through Ethereum, you can also redeem through what Binance coin, or you can also redeem through what Ripple. You can also redeem through Ripple. Any of this particular coin is okay. So let me show you something too that you can do here. You can also invite your friends. You invite your friends to actually what use this particular platform, and you get some coins. You get about 1,000 coins for each person that signs up using your link. And that is why I would like each and every one of you watching this video to actually use my link, at least for giving you this particular update that you can actually make money playing your favorite games. Use the link in the video, the description of this video, to sign up and create your account. Then if you come back to the home page, you click on where you see your profile picture, my name, then I click on rewards, and then allow it to load. You can see I said I was actually paid 0.05. I actually got this via what? USDT. So this particular video I'll be using what? I'll be redeeming my rewards using what? Bitcoin, either Bitcoin or Ethereum, but I'll be using Bitcoin. So I click on Bitcoin, select this particular Bitcoin, then I have to enter my Binance email. Enter your Binance email. That means you must be on Binance. And then I click on what? Submit request. So now that I've clicked on submit request, I have to click on what? Confirm. And it says it takes about what? 48 hours. So I click on what? Okay. So you can see here it's saying processing, and I'll be paid by what? By BTC. I'll be paid using Bitcoin to my what? Binance account. To my Binance account. So that's how easy it is. You keep playing. You can see they have subtracted the coins from my wallet, and then you see I can still withdraw using other methods for the particular, will I say, amount that I withdrew using Bitcoin. I think the least is actually USDT, which allows you withdraw up to zero for as low as 0.05, very low threshold. So this platform is actually legit, and it works perfectly well. It works perfectly well, and myself, I don't really even have time or like to play games, but I actually find myself enjoy playing these games. As far as I know, I'm going to be getting paid to play them. So if you enjoy content like this, make sure you hit smash the like button, and then subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon, so that whenever I drop such wonderful updates like this, you'll be the first among the first to get notified, and then you take part, and then you make money for yourself. Stay blessed. So guys, after some hours, I came here to my profile. Then I'm going to check my reward history, and I can see, can you see here, $0.3 worth of BTC has been paid to me to my account on Binance. So I'll go back, then I'll open Binance, and if I open Binance, you can see here I'm seeing 0.29. That is because of the fluctuation in what? In BTC. So it's 0.29 USDT worth of what? Bitcoin. You can see it here, Bitcoin here. And for your information, it will actually be paid into your funding wallet, not your spot wallet. So once you withdraw, you check your funding wallet rather, instead of your spot wallet. So haven't seen that it actually pays. You can now go back and keep playing, because that's what I've been doing. If you can see here from my points, it has increased because I've been playing, and I'll keep on playing.